Hello everyone, my name is Raiman Singh. I am intern under Lexis and Company. Today I am here to speak on the topic what kind of information is considered in a FIR. Only information relating to commission of an cognizable offence can be termed as FIR. It is not necessary that information must be set every detail of the case. It need not to state the name of the accused also. What is necessary that it must be disclosure information regarding the commission of cognizable information. Information received in following cases is not considered as FIR. Information received after the commencement of the investigation. Telephonic information useless. It has been given by the known person who disclosed his identity and the messages contain all the necessary facts which constitute an offence, and such a message is received reduced to writing by SHO. Information of made admissible some persons. Indefinite, vague and authorized information.